Look at this light. Can't even see. I think the light's really good. What dream makers and filmmakers like myself dream about this kind of light. A couple months ago when we first started writing down ideas for vlog content. It's been a while since I read through them, so let's see what it says. So the first one is the benefits of a standing desk at work is that you can go home and get out of doing anything. It took me a little while to figure out what that actually meant, but I think what I was trying to say is because you can literally say like, hey, I've been on my feet all goddamn day. I don't want to cook food or wash dishes or grab the remote. You go get it.
Babe, can you give me a glass of water?
Babe, I've been on my feet all day.
Fine, I'll get it.
Then we have, this one's a much easier one. You know how a lot of companies have been getting scammed by these email phishing attacks, and then the one common thread though is every company offers LifeLock service, right? So I wonder, what if LifeLock is behind all these email phishing scams? It's fucking brilliant. Okay, the next one is about the conjugation of love. I love, he loves, or she loves, they love. I don't know what else what the importance of that was. Something with grammar that I'm not keeping up with. Mel Gibson invented the microwave, but anyway, yeah.
Babe, can I get some French fries? Let me try that one more time. Babe, can you make me some pancakes?
Babe, I've been on my feet all day.
Why?
You're supposed to go, okay, like, you'll just take care of it.
No, I want my pancakes. You said I could ask for anything. I want pancakes.
We have to strike now.
You're supposed to say,
What's the deal?
come on.